In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your tools. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a towel. This is one of the cleaning towels we use, because if we use one of the other towels that we use on clients, it's going to stain. So the oil is going to soak into the towel, and it doesn't matter how many times we wash it, that stain's never going to come out. So when you're cleaning your clippers or cleaning anything, use these towels, because we don't use these on clients typically. So it's okay if these get stained. So first thing I'm going to do is grab my Cool Care, grab one of my clippers. This is actually a detachable clipper that works the same way. I'm going to turn it on and hold it sideways with a little bit of a downward angle. I'm going to spray while it's running. And if there's any hair in there, it's going to come out. And I'm going to shake it out a little bit. And I'm going to keep the clipper running. I'm going to take the oil, do a few drops. If you can zoom in right here or a bit closer, you can see where I'm putting the oil. So I'm going to put it right here where the moving blade, the bottom of the moving blade is, and then here. So just a few drops of oil. You really don't need to go crazy with this. So that's done. I'm going to wipe off the excess with that. Same thing with the clippers. Turn it down, spray it while it's running. And then this one has a lever, so I'm going to work the lever back and forth to kind of loosen up any hair that might be in there. You can spray a little bit more. This also has the same effect of like using one of those air cans. If you just hold it right there, you can sometimes just blast out any of that hair that might be stuck in there. And then with the oil, same thing. A couple drops in each corner. Let it run out for a little bit, and then take off the excess. All right. And now I'm just going to do my trimmers, because the other clippers would be the same way, except for trimmers. Same thing. I'm going to hold it down. And then just a few drops of oil. And that's basically it. I'll do the same thing with these trimmers, just to show you a different one. Notice how it gets quiet. Notice how it gets quieter once you spray a little bit of something on there. That's usually an indication too that they need to be oiled. So if your clippers all of a sudden become loud in the middle of the day or gradually get louder, that could be a sign that you need to oil them. Or if they're getting really hot, or if they're jamming, stuff like that. So I just sprayed them out. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil there. And that's it for the trimmer. So I'm going to show you how to clean the shaver. This one's a little bit different. I like to use a paintbrush for this. So I'm going to take the head off. And almost every electric shaver is the same way. So I'm going to use the paintbrush to clean the blades, get around it. And this actually has to be done between each client. The clippers can be sprayed with the Cool Care between each client. They don't need to be oiled between each client. Typically, oiling my clippers once or twice a day is enough. So I'm going to use the paintbrush, and this is where having a paintbrush comes in handy. You can get deep in there and get any hair or skin flakes that are there. You can tap it on the station to shake off any excess, and then you can just spray the head of it, and now it's good to go. So that needs to be done with the shaver between each client. The clippers need to be disinfected with Cool Care between each client, but I would say you don't need to oil your clippers any more than once or twice per day. And that's how to clean clippers, trimmers, and other barber tools.